Hey everyone, we'd like to invite you on this journey we're taking on our farmstead, but be patient as we're learning how to figure out how to work and film at the same time and put it all together for a good product at the end. We promise it'll get better, so just stick it out. Hit the like and subscribe button below. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Okay folks, today we're going to be setting up this Premier One fence so we can let our chickens out during the day.
Now that we've got our chicken run set up with our Premier One fence, we're going to go ahead and clip their wings and see how they do. See this?
What we're going to do here is clip their flight feathers off one of their wings. That way they can't fly over the fence. And you only have to do one side because then it makes them lopsided and they can't get any lift. And this doesn't hurt them at all. They can't even feel it as long as you stay out here with just the flight feathers. You don't want to get back up in here.
Two to go.
Them when they're wild. He's got real pretty feathers. Almost the same. You can see the color difference right here. I don't want to get back up into these feathers. Just clip the tips of all these off. Get them some water. Now we'll get them some water, and they're testing this fence, so we need to get it hooked up to electric. Find a good spot. Okay, I think this will work.
This will work. We'll put the, Josh is putting the grounding rod in now. Now we're gonna hook the electric up to it. So we've got the box hooked up now. Now we just gotta test it and see if it works.
Post and see if it's working.
You touch it.
You know where my little tester's at? My light pin that's yellow.
Oh. Ready?
You can put your other foot down, that won't make a difference.
It works.
Works.
So now we'll get these guys some water. And Josh is gonna put a door on that so they can go in at night.
So now I was thinking, put this over the whole thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Screw it on, right? And have this part cut out ahead of time, right? And then put a hinge on it, and you can pull it up, I guess, or drop it down.
We'll drop it down, yeah.
Okay, there's that. Now I just gotta cut the two pieces without killing myself.
So we've got quite a bit done now to our chicken tractor. I will show you what we've got done so far. We built this little door here. There was chicken wire right there, but we cut that out and built this door. See, just goes up. And then we can lock them in at night. We're hoping that they go up on their own, but if not, we'll have to come out here and show them where to go. But they've been in here for a little bit, so they should know where to go.
Now we gotta help them figure out their way inside. Which means we'll probably have to run around it a couple times. This will have to do until we get a chicksaw built. Come on, girls, you're supposed to be smarter than them meat birds. That's not the answer. If they can figure out to go in that hole. Let's hope it's that easy every time. Now we like this Premier One electrified poultry net. We've had it 3 or 4 years and we're really rough with it, and we get mad when it gets tangled up. The only thing we wish we'd have done is got one where the poles are closer together, because these are like 11 foot 8 inch, and I think you can get it at like 7 or 8 feet width. And this one is 160 feet long, something like that, and they make them in 100-foot sections, which would be easier to carry. So next time we get one, we'll probably upgrade to one of those. Now this Energizer that we have hooked up, we got at Lowe's when we bought this fence like 4 years ago, and it was already in rough shape from sitting outside when we bought it. But it still works, but we would like to upgrade.
So I'm going to go ahead and feed them for this evening. Got some layer feed. I mixed some broiler feed in there as I had left over from our meat chickens. So let's go ahead and feed them. This will also let them know where they're supposed to go up at night. So let's go ahead and feed them. Used to those meat chickens where they're always attacking you. So thanks for watching us today, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe below. Thanks!